Gravity Flow is a powerful tool that can help you automate your business processes. In this video, I'm going to use Gravity Flow to create a simple employee vacation request workflow. I'll start by creating a simple vacation request form using Gravity Forms. Within this form settings, I'm going to require users to be logged in when submitting this form. By requiring users to be logged in, I will be able to easily send them email notifications when their request is approved or rejected by their manager. Next, I'll navigate to the workflow settings for this form. I'm going to create a new workflow step and name it Vacation Request. I want to set up a workflow that allows an employee to submit a vacation request to their manager, who can then approve or reject the request. To accomplish this goal, I'll select Approval as my step type. Then, I'll scroll down to the approval settings and assign this step to my manager, Megan. Multiple roles can be assigned to this step if needed, and you can use the approval policy option to select whether a single assignee or all assignees must approve the request. I'd like to have an email sent to Megan whenever an employee submits a vacation request, so I'm going to enable the Send an Email to the Assignee option. Next, I'm going to use merge tags to help configure the email. Merge tags allow me to dynamically populate field entries based on information that was collected when the form was submitted. For instance, I'm going to use the user display name merge tag to dynamically populate the from name field with the display name of the employee who submitted the request. I'm also going to enable rejection and approval emails so that the employee receives an email response to their vacation request once it has been approved or rejected by their manager. Once the manager has approved or rejected the vacation request, the entries workflow will be designated as complete. Let's check out everything in action. First, I will submit my request using the vacation request form. My manager will then receive an email notifying her that a new request has been submitted. The manager can then approve or reject the request from within their workflow inbox. Finally, I'll receive a different email letting me know if my request was approved or rejected. Thanks to Gravity Flow, I have an easy-to-use vacation request workflow. We've only scratched the surface on everything you can do using Gravity Flow, so be sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future uploads. Thanks for watching.